Increased protein intake. Cora sausage provides a good source of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall body maintenance. Protein is also important for producing enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Adequate iron levels help prevent anemia and improve oxygen transport throughout the body. Improved satiety. The combination of protein from the sausage and carbohydrates from the bread can help keep you feeling fuller for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods. Eating traditional foods like Khoros Pav can strengthen your connection to cultural heritage and provide comfort through familiar tastes and memories. Consuming Khoros Pav ensures that you are getting some of the sodium your body needs. Negative effects.